So, okay. So the next thing is open community discussion. So, what do you guys want to talk about? We'll get to the dashboard here at the end. So this is your meeting, mastermind meeting. So whatever you guys want to talk about, we can dive into it. We can take things from the newsletter. We can talk about opportunities. California and Fresno has a great opportunity for anybody who does court filing. It's something to learn. It's something to learn from.
I'd like to know more about that AB 2042. What is that about? The one you just
Yeah, so the article, so I would first read the article because it basically spells out being able to you have to write the date for evictions, and you have to go through it's actually not pushed through yet, but it's something that they're requiring. CalsPro actually is doing a whole class on it. What is the date? What's the date? The CCP exam?
April 11.
So I would recommend going to that and did you already get certified, Samantha?
No.
Yeah, you definitely want to go to that. And I think you might be able to do it online now. Yeah, because that they'll not just spell it out for you, but like how to do the proof of service, the updates to the proof of service, putting the date on the summons, which is what a lot of other states do.
Supposed to be working if I don't have my certification.
Yeah. California, you just have to be registered. But I will tell you, I can't imagine serving without being certified. The lady who was going to start sending me work, she required that I go do it so I would know how to serve. I think partially because she didn't know all the rules, because she'd been doing it for 40 years, and so she didn't know the updated laws. She's like, you have to go get certified if you want to serve for me. So I recommend it highly because after doing it, I made relationships with people that I can't even tell you. Like, I may not even be doing this today. I maybe wouldn't even was serve papers if I didn't do it, because I met people that put me on the trajectory of doing it as a business and not as a part-timer. Nothing wrong with serving part-time, but you got to look at it like a business still, if that makes sense. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. A lot of states do require already writing the date on the summons. A lot of them already do that. I've been researching a lot of affidavits, building the affidavit generator, and there's actually a lot. I actually thought California was the only one that had specific forms for every single thing, and then everyone else had like a nationwide affidavit. No, it's actually every state has some kind of form they've adopted. They just don't require you to use it like California does.
I have a question on, I was reading, I don't know if that's California where you no longer have to have a notary on is that the affidavit?
California, yeah. California, you don't have to have you never, I don't want to say never, but as far as I remember, it's under penalty of perjury. You don't have to have a notary.
I think it was Florida that used to require it, and then now it doesn't.
Okay.
I think it's Florida.
Yeah.
Okay.
Florida. And it's actually different districts or so that's like if they're court appointed, then they're considered like an officer of the court, so they don't have to. So it's like I would always just ask the client, get it in writing, an email.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want this notarized?
Gotcha.
Yeah. Adele, is your hand up? You have
my hand is up. It's just talking, like I know Samantha's saying she's registered and not certified, but just saying, even I know she was mentioning like affiliates, and affiliates aren't always bad to work for. It actually gives you a lot of knowledge. I can say I have a few lawyers, but I work for many affiliates, and I've only been in the business for 3 years. So there's, like Dawn and some of the others have been doing way longer. But I would say those affiliates, if you get in with a good affiliate, sometimes it's the best knowledge you'll ever learn. Yeah, you might be going ahead and serving for a low rate, and I wouldn't say go do ABC low rate because I don't believe that's going to teach you. But if you get in with a good affiliate that's been in the industry and cares about the industry, you'll get a wealth of knowledge usually too. And so, don't always be afraid of not, going with an affiliate. If they can give you that wealth of knowledge, that's more than what you're learning or what you're getting in, because it's going to go ahead and your business can grow and it'll make you grow.
Well, I've been working with one that's that does great with me, but I got called by another one, and I'm just not sure how. I think because of ABC, my experience with ABC is what kind of like tainted that. To work with the unknown. It's like if I can't talk to somebody personally, then it's hard for me to want to just jump in with somebody that. Where's the customer service, or where's the person to speak to? It's all online, So I don't know if I could say that. Maybe you can get your guys' input on what you think. I'm sure you guys know them. but I don't know if I could say their name, or if that's it.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, they can just sue us.
Yeah. Well, it's through Proof. Proof got a hold of me. And so I don't know how well they work with others.
Yeah, you own your own business. If you just say, yeah, I can do that, sure.
Mhm.
$70, $80, and they can always say no, and then you just
Because they were going to call me about their pricing or something like that. And I'm, depending on whether I'm not going to work for $7, 20, just something ridiculous. And then I'm going to do what they asked of my due diligence, but I'm not going to do it for $10 or $15. So that's just.
Yeah, good. That's how you set the precedent. Yeah.